Low Canada Express Entry CRS score? If you are applying for the federal skilled trades class, there's a reason not to lose hope. The Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada conducted another round of express entry draws on November 1st. What made these interesting is the fact that the federal skilled trades class candidates with as low as 241 Canada Express entry score and 290 provincial nominee candidates with 673 points received invitations to apply. It was the same as the program-specific draws that happened on May 26, when all the Canadian Experience class and Federal Skilled Worker class qualified for the selection. A few days after, IRCC made another surprise draws, inviting applicants with 413 Canada Express entry score. This turned out to be the lowest cut-off threshold since the birth of Canada Express entry. What does it mean? If you are able to create an express entry profile, you should not be discouraged easily. Opportunities like this may come your way to successfully immigrate to Canada. The FSTC is for individuals who have qualifications in the skilled trade and who want to become permanent residents in Canada. Minimum requirements. Plan to live in a province except in Quebec. Meet the language level requirements, CLB 5 for listening and speaking and CLB 4 for writing and reading. With 2 years experience in a skilled trade in the last 5 years. Meet the job requirements set forth by the National Occupational Classification, except if a certificate of qualification is necessary. Obtain at least a year of full-time job offer, or a certificate of qualification from the Canadian Territorial Authority or Canadian province. Does your profession belong in a skilled trade? Do you want to know more about the FSTC or do you want to check your eligibility for the program? Call us now at 1-877-396-9084 so we can assist you. You may also email us at inquiry@sureimmigration. Grab this chance to become a permanent resident in Canada.